This is the Itel P55 and this is the E1 smartwatch. And these two together can be the most affordable smart way to stay healthy and monitor your fitness, like monitor your daily heart health and have some fun playing games and the like on the P55. And in today, I'm going to tell you all about the P55 and the E1 smartwatch and how the two of them can make your life a very fun one. Let's start with the P55. For just $9.99, you can get a 50 megapixel main sensor, a massive 8GB RAM, and 90Hz display in your next device. This is the Itel P55. The price of this guy actually still marvels me. I know a couple of people that can spend the same amount on just a meal, but for that amount you can actually pick up this device with everything that comes inside the box. This is really cool and we have to check it out. Let's start with the unboxing. Inside the box you are greeted with the phone, a SIM card ejector tube, a TPU case, an 18 watts charger, a Type-C cable for charging and data transfer, an earpiece, and the phone. For the watch, it was actually very minimal. Inside the box, all you have is the watch, the charging cable that snaps to the back, and a little paperwork. To start with, the P55 costs about $999, a durable plastic build all around. It has a massive 6.6 inches display, which is also a 90Hz display. Something I really appreciate in this device, because devices that cost maybe 10 times the price of this still don't have this. So it's really cool for Itel to put it in this device. This is still a nice looking device though. The volume rocker on the right, the power button has a fingerprint sensor embedded in it that works really well. At the bottom you have a Type-C port, a headphone jack, and a speaker grill. We only have a single firing speaker here, but it actually sounds very nice. On the side we have a SIM card tray and what looks like a triple camera setup at the back. For build and design, I actually like the build and design of this. For the price point, this actually feels good. It's not heavy, it's kind of light, it's not sharp in the hand, it's not going to be uncomfortable to hold, so you're definitely going to enjoy this. Plastic is durable, so I have no problem with that as well. Itel has definitely solved one of the problems a lot of people claim to have with Itel devices. Yes, we actually have a massive 8GB of RAM on this device, which makes it so easy for you to run applications, games, and the likes in the background without worrying about the phone running slow. So that is really cool. For performance, this is equipped with a Unisoft T606. It's a 12nm chipset. It's a decently performing chipset. It comes with Android 13 out of the box with Itel version 13 installed. You get 4GB of RAM that can be expanded to 8GB and 128GB of storage. I went to this device thinking this might not be able to perform to my expectation, but for the price point I was actually surprised what this was capable of. For regular phone needs such as making phone calls, content consumption, watching YouTube videos and the likes, this device is cool. And talking about playing your games, anytime you decide to play games on this guy, you should definitely play it through the game space. This comes with a whole lot of advantages when it comes to playing your games, giving you the best experience in your gameplay. You can even play some games on here like PUBG and Asphalt really well. You're not going to have any issues with that. And when it comes to batteries, this also comes with a 5000 mAh battery and supports 18 watts of fast charging. And with the supported 18 watts fast charger that comes inside the box, you can charge your phone very fast, so you can get back to playing your games. So when you're charging your phone with this one, you are not going to worry about spending the whole day to charge your phone. The battery life can easily take you through the whole day depending on your use case scenario, and even to the next day if you baby it enough. We have what looks like a triple camera setup at the back. The main sensor on here is a 50 megapixel main sensor. The next one on the right is the flash. And for the front, we have an 8 megapixel sensor for your selfies. For videos, this is capable of 1080 at 30 FPS. So this is selfie camera test. This is being shot in 1080, 30 FPS. Let me know what you think about this footage in the comment section down below. The skin tones, dynamic range, and also how do I sound. Let me know in the comment section down below. Let's do a quick jog to test out the stabilization on the selfie camera. Oh, it's actually not bad. It's actually not bad at all. Now let's switch to the main camera and see how. And now we're on the main sensor on the P55. Let me know what you think about this as well. How do I sound? The skin tones, dynamic range. Hopefully it's better than what we have on the selfie. Let's quickly do our stabilization test by jogging a little bit. How's the stabilization looking like? I can actually see it right now because the phone is standing around. So let me know what you think about the stabilization. Also, dynamic range, everything. Let me know what you think about this footage in the comment section down below. And now let's talk about how using the watch and the phone together is going to make your life very fun and healthy. First, let's talk about the watch. If I haven't mentioned already, this actually looks really cool. I really like the design Itel has going on here. On the side, you can find a button and an ECG sensor on the right, which is going to help you check your ECG. That's definitely the biggest selling feature of the E1 smartwatch. This is the feature that's normally found in very expensive smartwatches, but like you know, Itel was able to pack it into this device and I really love it. Let me show you how to use it. You can either press the button and swipe up and choose check ECG and place your finger on the sensor, and in no time this is going to help you check your ECG. And once you know your ECG is between 60 and 100, you know you're actually good to go. So to stay healthy, this is one of the features of the smartwatch amongst a lot more. Let me show you some more. Once connected to your phone, you can make and answer calls on here, check your daily footsteps regularly, monitor your sleep, check your heart rate, blood pressure, blood oxygen. And one of my favorite features about this watch is that you can actually use this to locate your phone, which is really cool. And just like that, this is going to help you locate. If you are somebody that misplaces your phone a lot in your room, this can easily help you locate your phone as well. You can use your calculator, you can play games. There's a lot more you can actually do with the watch. And this is a very affordable watch from Itel with a very affordable phone too. So now you have no excuse to have fun and also stay healthy with the E1 smartwatch.